To the honorable judges, teachers, and all of my friends, good morning. My name is Carlos Martin Antoine, and I am from class 8-1. And today I will be discussing about the past and the present. We are going to talk about the differences. While in the first picture, it is a picture of a calculator. It is invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It is used to make doing calculations more easier. But there's a negative side to this invention, that young people nowadays tend to use the calculator to do easy multiplications rather than doing it manually. That makes it they forget how to do it manually. Different from the past where they are forced and don't have this more advanced method to doing the calculations. So they are forced to doing the calculations manually. Speaking of invention, I also have an example of invention. It is called a blender. A blender can make juices, powder, and sauce, and all kinds of things, but in this picture, it is used to make lemonade. Different from the past, where they have to use a plastic silicone to make lemonade, while a blender uses the advanced technology of electricity. The plastic silicone uses human strength and energy. Where do you usually get groceries from? The market, right? But nowadays, there is an easier way to do it. Let's say when you are busy and can't go to the market, well, now there's an app to do it. And you can just order from an app everything you want to buy. How do you pay if you order it from an app, if you may ask? Well, nowadays, there's a thing called digital currency. Digital currency is like real money but in an electric form, so it's not touchable like dollar bill and coins. Digital money can be transferred using an online system. That is how we pay. Speaking of ways to pay for things, there's also another example, such as a credit card. A credit card is a card that we can use for paying for stuff. Having a credit card is more efficient than carrying loads of money around. But if you really need loads of money, you can just go to a nearby ATM and put in your PIN and your credit card into the machine. Technology nowadays has really advanced from the past, such as vehicles. In the past, we have carriages that is moved by horses, but now we have cars that starts off by engines. Speaking of ways of transportation, there's also another example, such as a plane. A plane can go by air to make us go overseas. So if you are wanting to go overseas, now there's a transportation ways to do it. But if that is not the case, and you are scared about that you are not understanding the language they are speaking, well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Because now there's a thing called Google Translate. A Google Translate can translate a certain language to the language that you understand to make the communications more easier. If you think about it, technology has really improved since then. Starting from when Thomas Alva Edison invented a light bulb to nowadays invention. It makes you wonder, what will happen in the future? Well, the future is not easy to be guessing. Example, in the 90s, people were guessing that in the 20s there will be flying cars. But where is the flying cars now? The future is unpredictable, so it's up to us to improve the future. That is all from me. Thank you.